Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about how to install VS Code on your Windows machine. So I'm basically using Windows 11. So this is what you need to do. Go to your browser. You want to go to code.vsstudio.com/download. That's when you get the raw file for installing VS Code. So you just click on download here. I'm not downloading it because I have it already. So we'll get it to my desktop. Okay. So click on it. Once you accept the agreement, go to next, next. Then calculate the desktop icon. Okay, go next. Install. Just hold on. Allow it to load. Just take around 10 seconds or so, maybe 20 seconds. So there we are. So this option is to launch the VS Code. That's once you click on finish. If this is checked, it will launch the VS Code app. But if it's not checked, it's not loaded. So I want to launch it, so I'll leave it checked and then click on finish. So this is what you see. You just have to choose your theme. I prefer dark high contrast. Just mark all this. I mark them as done. Just mark all this as done and then that's all. Thank you for watching this video. If you love this, do it to like, subscribe, and drop a comment on videos you want me to create.